Good morning and welcome to my channel. Today is Monday. It's the week after we had the Inspire Me conference, and I just decided to take 2 days off work because the past 2 weeks have been so intense and I just needed to rest.
You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take.
So I am home alone and I decided, why not make myself some amazing breakfast? I know everyone who knows me personally says I cook poison because I'm very impatient and I really don't enjoy cooking. However, I enjoy my own food. I can actually cook. My mom is a chef by profession. She taught me well. I just choose not to cook. So today, I'm going to try make oven roasted potatoes and toasted bread for breakfast. It's currently around 11 a.m. I don't eat so early in the morning, and so I decided to take you along with me. So for this recipe, which I just googled, I'm going to use black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, salt, potatoes of course, and some oil in the oven. Remember, it's my first time trying this recipe. Number 2, it's my second time using our oven, so I really hope it goes well. I'm following a recipe that I just googled and found, but I hope you enjoy. Let's go along. Step 1 for this recipe, of course, was to wash the potatoes, which I did, and then I'm trying to cut them into wedges. So that is what I'm literally going to do. Cut them into wedges and then place them on this bowl. So let's continue cutting the wedges.
Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a try.
So my potatoes are ready. I know my wedges are not perfect, but you know what? As long as they're edible, it's not that deep. The next step is to pat them dry. So I'm going to be using these kitchen towels. You can also use a kitchen cloth, but whatever works. So the next step is going to place the potatoes on the cloth and pat them dry.
Will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me?
So the purpose of patting the potatoes dry is to allow the potatoes to absorb the oil that you're going to add in it, and also just to get the potatoes to be crispy after removing from the oven. So step 1 is to add the oil. I'm literally eyeballing this recipe, so whatever works for you, you do that. I've put 1.5 of this serving spoon. Then 1 full teaspoon of salt, or maybe just a half. That's a lot. And then garlic powder, which is kind of over. So this is around 1 tablespoon. It's over. And then some paprika. I love paprika. Then some black pepper. So this is what we have. going to mix everything together. Let me just use my hands. So this is the mixture that we have so far. Now, because I do not have a baking sheet, I'll use the baking tray that comes with the oven. I'm just going to put some oil on the base of the tray and spread it with my hands, because again, I do not have the brush, the kitchen brush. I'm just doing this to ensure they do not stick. Then I'm going to arrange the potatoes in the tray, not on top of one another.
Take a drive.
So this is what I have so far. So our oven is set at 220 degrees Celsius and 35 minutes.
Take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
So while the potatoes are in the oven, I am going to now make my, should I call it sandwich? Toasted bread. It's sandwich. It's actually a sandwich stuffed with onions and bell peppers, and then seasoned with salt and black pepper. No, I'm not a vegetarian, but I just enjoy, and some tomato. I just enjoy that type of sandwich, and there's nothing else. No brown, no sausage, no eggs for me. So that's what we're going to have with some tea. So I'm going to start by washing my vegetables. Next step is to actually slice the vegetables.
You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
is to actually take your bread and then apply some blue band on it, some margarine. So in this case, I'm going to be using 4 slices of bread. I could have used 2 because those potatoes are mini, but I can't toast just on one side. So I'm going to take my bread, my blue band, that is, sorry. And then I'm going to apply blue band on the side where I place my veggies. And on the side that's going to be facing up. Do I make sense? Yeah. So this is basically what we are going to do. So this is the side that has blue band, and this is the side that doesn't have blue band. So I place the side that has blue band below so that it doesn't, this toaster is so old, the sandwich maker is so old, so that isikwame. Then I start using my onions. I love onions so much. So I place my onions, and then I place my tomatoes, the round tomatoes, and then I place my bell peppers. Once I do, I smear my black pepper on the vegetables, not on the bread, and some salt, because who eats tomatoes without salt? Just a little salt. If you can use your salt shaker, the better. Yeah. And then again with the blue band side that's been smeared on top. So you cover it like that. Yeah.
Take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
So all stuff ready to be toasted. This light goes on, that means it's ready. Meanwhile, let's check on our potatoes.
You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
I think our potatoes are ready. I can see one that has broken into 2. Maybe I can do the taste with it. The potatoes are actually ready. Albeit hot, they're actually really nice. So this is how the potatoes look. So I'm just going to plate them. Meanwhile, turn my dispenser on because I take black tea so I can warm the water.
Me right. I could be the best thing in your life. Let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh.
So our sandwich is ready, as you can see. This is the outcome of an roasted potato wedges and a vegetable sandwich. So I'm going to pair my brunch, because at this point it can definitely not be breakfast, with one of the specialties from Melvin's. I don't know, masala chai, nope. Green tea and mint, nope. Cool cardamom, maybe. Green tea with lemongrass, nope. Sweet cinnamon, lemon twist, nope. Tangawizi, or very vanilla. Let's do the sweet cinnamon tea. Let's pair the breakfast with sweet cinnamon tea, and I hope to enjoy. Well, show me a better way to relax if not for my tea and brunch. You guys can definitely see that this is not poison. So let's do the taste. I already know the potatoes are nice because I've tasted. Not crispy on the outside, but I don't mind because I really don't care for crisps. I was trying to take potatoes. Like the tea as well. It's actually my first time tasting the tea. Let's try the sandwich. I've done the sandwich before. That's how I know I like it. It's usually super messy trying to eat this because it breaks off. Like it. Please do try my recipe at home and let me know if you like it. Also, probably we could turn this channel into a cooking channel. I don't think so, but you can also recommend simple recipes that you would like for me to try on this channel. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please consider leaving a comment, like, to give me more visibility, and share with your networks so that I can grow this channel. Until next time, bye.
You got me singing, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in